This video we are going to see about how to convert thin provision to thick provision. So this is a VM app02 VM which is thin provision, and app01 VM also in thin provision. When it is in thin provision, the storage capacity will be, it's only showing the used space. So edit settings, we can see 40 GB hard disk is allocated for the particular VM. In this VM we have disk type is thin provision, so we are going to convert thin provision to thick provision lazy 0. So let's convert. Also you can see the current VM residing on data source 01. Okay, so the current VM is on data source, so I have to migrate. While migrating the VM, there is option to convert thin provision to thick provision. Select change data store only. Next, then select the appropriate data store. So the origin is data source 01. So the destination is data source 02. We are going to select virtual machine disk format. Here I have to select thick provision lazy 0. Right now you can see the VM in thin provision. 40 GB hard disk is there. Thin provision 7 GB is allocated only using the data. So now I have changed thin provision to thick provision lazy 0. Then I'm putting next, then finish. Once the storage is completed, it will be converted to thick to thin. Migration is completed. Okay, now the VM is showing thick provision lazy 0. Previously the storage size was 7 GB. Now the storage size was 40 GB. The full hard disk space it's occupied. So we have successfully completed thin provision to thick provision storage migration. And also you can see the VM residing on data source 02. Previously the VM was residing on data source 01. Now VM escape this 02.